Alright, we got a first generation Subaru Forester, and we're going to change the front differential oil. We got the hood open here. You can see way down in here is the dipstick for the front differential. We'll use that later to check the fluid and to fill the differential. To drain it, we go down underneath the car. Here's our oil pan here. Go behind that. Here's our subframe here. Go behind that, and here's your exhaust right here, and then between the exhaust and the subframe, which is that guy right there, you can see him, and that guy is a 21 millimeter. Alright, so now I've got my oil drain pan, I've got my socket with my socket extension right here, and we're ready to unscrew that drain plug. So once again, the drain plug is right in between the exhaust and this subframe here. Get the drain pan under there and unscrew that thing. Ooh, that looks pretty dark. And once that's had a chance to drain, go ahead and reinstall the drain cap, the drain plug. And then tighten it back down again. With a rag or paper towel, try and clean up as best you can, and expect this stuff on the exhaust to smell next time you run the car, as that burns off of there. Alright, and then for these cars, the first generation automatic transmission Subaru Forester, this is basically 1998 to 2002, I believe. It's 80W90. It's what you want. And then I've removed the dipstick from the differential, set that aside, and then I've also, down here, I've got a funnel in the dipstick tube, and that is going to help me to fill that thing up. Alright, so this is supposed to take 1.3 quarts. Alright, I'm just trying to keep an eye on my fluid level over here to get an idea of how much I'm using. Alright, now it's the fun part where we go back and forth and constantly check the fluid level. So removing the funnel, setting that aside, and then reinserting the dipstick. So wipe the dipstick down and finagle it back in there, which is not easy. And so far I'm not getting any on the dipstick, so got to add more fluid. And then once it reaches the right level on the dipstick, we're good to go. Mine is just over the low part. I expect some more of this fluid to drain down in and bring that level up just a little bit. And I will go ahead and check it again tomorrow after it's sat for a bit.